Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Sorry, I think I'm getting sick. Anyway, I have some happy mail to share with you today. The first one is coming from Jenny, who is Crafty Hilo Girl. Check her out. Look at all of this wonderfulness. She told me she was sending me something for hosting the Sanrio swap, and this girl, she didn't have to. She's been so generous with everyone in our swap, and she's just been so great, so gracious. So thank you, Jenny. Look at her. Yeah, I need to get back to this, doing some exercising. I think that would help me 100% with the way I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling sick. Oh my gosh, Jenny. Let's pull this out. Oh my gosh, Jenny, you fit so much in this bag. What? In this envelope, I mean. Look at her. How cute. Purple dragon. I'm going to keep that. Yes, I am. There's some in the front too, but I'm not going to show that. Oh, Jenny. Ah! She's so cute. Her little bathing suit. Hello, Kitty. That is so cute with her snorkel. Oh my God. Too cute. Thank you, Jenny. All right, let's see if there's a card in here. There's some sweet treats. Look at this. It's got all the goody friends. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my God, Jenny. She sent a whole swap, guys. This is a whole swap. This crazy lady. Oh my God, Jenny. This is amazing. Oh, yes. This one's a heart shape. Okay, these are the macadamia cookies that I love that she sends in her Happy Mail. This is Big Island Candies. If you're interested to give it a try, they do they do have a Facebook page, so you guys could check them out. I don't know if they do sell or ship to the States. I don't know. You just have to go pull it up. Go to Facebook, type in Big Island Candies, and there should be a link there. I saw it on the Facebook the other day. So this one doesn't say what the flavors are, but you definitely believe that I'm going to eat this. I ain't tasting it. I'm eating it. Thank you, Jenny. I love it. She put the little stickers on here. Choco Cat, my melody. Hello, Kitty. Hello, Kitty. And I think this is Pum Pum Purin. Pum Pum Purin, I think. You guys, as much as I love Sanrio, you would think I would know the names of these characters. There's just too many. So what does it say? Happy Dan Bowie. It's always party time when we all get together. Come join us. The more the merrier. That is the truth. Pachaco, Karopi, Batsmatsu something. Tuxedo Sam. I don't remember these two, I swear. Oh my gosh. I need to do better. Do better, Eileen. Okay. So what does she have? She got some Hello Kitty paper clips. Jenny. Oh my God, girl. Oh, there's the card. I see the card. She spoiled me. Look at this clip, you guys. What? That is double-sided. Look at Hello Kitty. Oh my God. Thank you, Jenny. Girl, that is cute. Let's see our little card. Look at the holographic on that. So pretty, so pretty. All the Hello Kitties. Oh my gosh, Jen. I had the best time watching everybody's project shares and unboxings. Oh my gosh, look at her in her purple bow and her purple dress. Yes. I love it. It's just a simple hello. Oh my gosh, Jenny, this is beautiful. Oh, girl, you are so generous, Jenny. Oh my gosh, they all thank me over and over and over again. So I told them we will have it again next year, January. Yes. Oh, out of the funk. Yes. Crafting again. I definitely can make use of these, girl. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Hugs, Jenny. Oh, so sweet. This is also from Jenny too. So she sent her and I've been sending happy mail for a while. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a blind bag. Oh my gosh, do I want to open it? Let's open it. Let's open it and see. Oh, it's one of these. It's My Melody with the lamb. Oh, how cute. It's got a protective coating on it, the plastic, so it keeps it nice and pretty. How cute. I got the first one. Oh, Jenny, thank you, thank you, thank you, my friend. Oh my goodness, that is so sweet. And then we have this here. She shared some beautiful hearts. They're not sequins, but they're like scatter. Spangle bottle. How pretty. Oh my gosh, Jenny, thank you so much. That's a lot. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. my I feel like I'm having a cold, and it's like the worst thing because it's like not fully full on cold. Look at her. Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh. Hi, I want to be your special friend. How pretty with the sweet treat. Oh, yes. Oh my God. And stickers. I was watching the replay of the ladies unboxing their prizes. It was Soph, Fritzy, and Cruz, and Sophia won a prize from Jenny, and she won a notebook like this. How cute. Look at this little notepad. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see. We'll start from the back because it's easier to flip through. Look at this one, black and white. Hello Kitty with the pen. And smiles come from the heart. Yes, they do, with her beautiful bows. Oh, this is so pretty, Jenny. Thank you. And then there's the Hello Kitty with her little sister. I think it's Mimi. Her sister's name is Mimi. And then their little teddy bears. How cute. Oh my God. And look at, oh, it's Hello Kitty and Mimi with the teddies. Cutie pies. I love it. And then we have this with the bath time. Hello Kitty. Look at the hair dryer. Oh my God. It's so funny. And her little teddy. Look at that. The cutest. And her little headband too. I have a headband from Jenny that I just used the other day. Oh my God. Hello Kitty with purple, guys, purple. And she still got her little colors going on, and she talking to her boyfriend. Now I don't know who the boyfriend is. You have a way of brightening my day. Yes, yes, yes. Look at the sweet treats up at the top. Oh my goodness. How cute. And then there's the, oh my gosh, look at that strawberry cake right there with the teddy. My goodness. Oh, so cute. I love this. And there she is with her all her little poses. She's got binoculars. She's in the cupcake. She got her pillow. She got the balloon. It says Hello Kitty. Oh, adorable. The little candy jar. Then here she is. You have a way of brightening my day. Oh my God, Jenny, I love it. Girl, thank you so much. Thank you for sharing with me. I am not putting it back in that plastic. And then she has these decoration stickers. Look at how tiny these are. I love these hearts. Oh my goodness. Love them. Thank you, Jenny. And then speaking of hearts, she shared her hearts with me. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you put these two together, the two pieces, and they close it up. And then you can dangle them as a charm. Yep. And you just add the glue to the rim so that it stays closed. So you get 3 of the medium and 3 of the teeny tiny ones. How cute. And then let's see, this one is zip bags with, oh my gosh, with all the characters. Yes. She's so naughty. Cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh. Pom pom pudding. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Jenny, thank you so much for sharing with me. Let's see, what's this one? She's got the Hello Kitty sticker. Okay, I'm gonna figure a way to get her off of there. Ah, yes, 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 Jenny. Oh, how pretty. You know, when she was sharing it with us, it was so cute. We all agreed it was gorgeous. But in person, oh my God, that is gorgeous. You guys, these are just the little mirrors. The mirror, oh girl. How do we open you? Is it a squeeze? See, I don't even know. And I think, oh, Jenny. There it is. Okay, so these two go up. And there's our mirror. There's my phone. How pretty. Oh my gosh, Jenny. That is beautiful. The little sakura right there. And little pearl. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you know, we're going to keep that safe. And then she has the pouch here with Hello Kitty. The little chalk art says good nights and sweet dreams. Oh my gosh, Jenny. Spoiler. She loves to spoil. Let's pull it before we even open the rest. But there's the pouch. How pretty. I love it. Look at her little mirror. There's a mirror right there. And the teddy. Oh my God. How cute. Girl, what in the world? I'm trying not to ruin the sticker. So just pull it out to the side. Let's see, what is here? What is it? Oh, it's the charm. With the purple and the purple Hello Kitty bead. You guys, look at her. See the face? And the 2 little beads. And look at her. So that's what you could do with the hearts, see? This is the heart. Oh my gosh. How pretty. Love it, Jenny. Thank you so much, friend. Oh my gosh. And then this one, which I don't want to open that. Again. There we go. Here we go. No, she didn't. Oh, she gave me the straw topper. Girl, I thought you were giving this to the winners. Oh my gosh. Look at her little dangle. So she clipped it to the straw topper. And this slides through the straw. Let me show you. I have a straw right here. And it slides right through here. And then when you're done drinking, you put the topper on. How cute is this? Oh my God, Jenny. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. And then our last one, man, I am not feeling, I am not feeling it right now. I'm terrible right now. I feel really sick. Oh, I see purple. I see purple. Yeah. She made me a keychain ring with the dangle, the bead dangle. Look, everything is purple. I love this clasp because this one is more secure. Oh my gosh, there's the Hello Kitty. Yes, girl. Oh, it's already a charm. So it already had the eyelet there. And then there's the bead again. Oh, she's got two on here. How pretty, Jenny. Oh my God, Jenny, thank you. And then look at that one. What? That is so tiny. And she just put a sticker on there. This is a sticker. What? So this heart just came plain. And then she put a sticker on that. I love it. And her beads are so pearly. I love that. Very cool. Very, very cool. This is definitely going on my purse. Girlfriend, yes. Wow, Jenny. Oh my God, girl. I'm going to add this to it also. I want her on here too because I'm that pathetic. I want all of it on there. I'm assuming that's where we put our keys, but I'm going to put another, probably a bigger jump ring and add it just like she has it here. So it would be on the other side of the key ring. Oh my gosh, Jenny. And she also shared some key rings with me. Oh, Jenny. Thank you, my friend. Oh my God. This is a gunmetal color. And then this is a white and the gold and the blue. Wow. Jenny, spoiled rotten. Spoiled rotten because, oh my God, I'm in love with everything. Thank you so much, my friend. This will be put to great use. I will definitely use every piece of it, and that will definitely not be eaten by anyone but me. That's all mine. So thank you again, guys. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. And then while you're at it, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video, just like this. Oh my goodness. And then while you're also at it, go ahead and open up the description box and click on Jenny's link. Her link will be in the description box. And go follow her and give her some crafty love because this is so uber generous. So generous. My goodness, Jenny. Oh, I missed this. Hair tie. What? That is cool. Oh my gosh, Jenny. Thank you. How did I miss this? Oh my goodness. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.